In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy cryptocurrency directly from your MetaMask wallet in a few simple steps. Understanding this process will empower you to expand your digital asset portfolio with ease and confidence. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to a specific website. Open your preferred web browser and type in portfolio.metamask.io. This is the official site for managing your MetaMask portfolio and is secure and straightforward, designed to facilitate your transactions seamlessly. Once you're on the website, the first action you'll need to take is to connect your wallet. You'll find a clearly marked Connect Wallet button right on the page. Click on this button and you'll be prompted to choose your wallet provider. Here, you'll select MetaMask from the pop-up menu. It's important to always ensure you're connecting to reputable sites like this one to maintain security and integrity in your transactions. Once you've selected MetaMask, a prompt will appear in your MetaMask extension. You should see a pop-up window within MetaMask itself that asks for your approval. Approve the connection to ensure your wallet is securely linked to the site. This connection is a crucial step for ensuring that you're the one in control of your assets and ready to proceed with purchasing. Now comes the exciting part, exploring buy options. At this stage, you'll notice a selection of on-ramp providers appearing. These are services designed to help you convert your fiat money into cryptocurrency, and they are selected based on your geographical region. What's fantastic about this setup is that the options shown to you are legitimate, vetted, and tailored to fit the best access points for your area. This means you have convenient and local options directly at your fingertips, ensuring a smooth buying experience. By staying within the same browser session, you don't have to worry about going through different channels or dealing with potentially unreliable services. MetaMask has done the legwork in providing you with secure and trustworthy options, so you can focus on choosing the best provider for your needs. Each provider might offer different rates or fees, so take a moment to compare them, ensuring you get the best deal possible. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to purchasing cryptocurrency directly through MetaMask. With this streamlined process, you can effortlessly grow your digital assets right from your browser. Always remember to check the legitimacy of the services you choose and enjoy the convenience and security MetaMask offers. Take your time comparing your options, and happy investing.